Okay, so here's the oil I'm putting in. There's the filter. There's the tools. Okay, oh, zoom out. Got the plug out, dripping. Oil's coming out. And okay, and I'm gonna undo the filter here. Get back to you in a second when I'm putting it back on. Okay, so here's the old filter. Made a mess, so it's on a 45-degree angle on down my arm. There's the oil there. Grab the filter, get some oil, put it on. That way so it goes on easier and the rubber doesn't get hard.